Welcome back. We are covering 25 perks to consider when joining a new company, and number 21 today is individual care service or care services. Don't twerk for your perk. Before we get going, I want to encourage you to do what I always ask at the beginning of these videos, and just take a couple of seconds out of your time and just click that thumbs up, subscribe, or alert, or whatever positive feedback mechanism you happen to be listening or watching this content on. I greatly appreciate it. It lets the platforms know also that you appreciate it and helps them distribute it. So again, it's free to do, doesn't take too long, so thank you in advance for doing that. So number 21 is individual care services, and the reason I'm covering this is that there's several things that you can do as a company, or that your company could do, in terms of whether it be haircuts, that you have a barber come in, and obviously you don't necessarily cover the cost on those, but having somebody on site when you're in the middle of work is very, very helpful. Sometimes people will have a masseuse come through and just kind of give 15-minute or half-hour shoulder or back massages, which as you're having tense days, that's always nice and helpful. And one of the big ones that I really enjoyed having access to, especially when I was traveling, I was working for a big insurance company at the time, and I was doing a tour of duty at home office in Chicago, and I was flying in from Denver every week and in a long term stay hotel, and so it's just kind of a big hassle to haul your dry cleaning when you're there for the week back and forth. And so this particular company had dry cleaning services right on campus, which was really, really nice. I would go into work, drop it off at the little store that they had sold little packs of gum or what have you, a convenience store, and then they also took in dry cleaning and facilitated that whole thing. So basically, during the 6 months I was doing this, I basically would fly in on Monday mornings, go to work, pick up my dry cleaning from last week, and then on Thursdays I would drop it off again. So basically I was only traveling with the clothes on my back, which is great. So anyway, there's different things like that you can do and offer up that will make it more convenient for your employees to take care of things that are at work. Some companies even have partner with different banks and have banking on campus as well. So I think that as we get through this health issue that we're dealing with worldwide, and as some companies have people back on campus, it's still one of those things to think about, especially when you're struggling to even get people to work for you. So anyway, that's pretty much going to do it for this one. Again, I don't think that it's too terribly inconvenient for you to offer up those types of services. And again, I know that it definitely is a major convenience in terms of, for those who are on campus, and takes an extra half an hour, out of your day when you can knock it out at work. So, but anyway, that's going to do it. And before we go, do me a favor, I'd appreciate it if you would click the thumbs up or positive feedback mechanism on whatever platform you're watching this on. I greatly appreciate it. And again, lets the platform know and helps them distribute it to other folks. And feel free to share these as well. And we will talk to you at the next video.